Now, the junior doctors of a private hospital in Karnataka's Davangere district are on an indefinite strike. Guess what? They have not been paid their stipends or their salaries for 16 months now. That's right, 16 months. Take a look at tonight's Get Real India story.
In the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, resident doctors including postgraduates and interns of the JJM Medical College in Davangere, Karnataka have gone on an indefinite protest demanding basic stipend pay. It's been 16 months, not a penny has come their way. The Karnataka government in 2018 refused to pay doctors stipend from government coffers. It put the onus on Chittagiri General District Hospital in Davangere. The hospital too backed off, saying they didn't earn enough revenue. Eventually, the responsibility was vested on JJM Medical College to pay up. They too claimed lack of funds, leaving hundreds of junior doctors in dismay for last year and a half.
We were left with no other option other than coming on streets and going on the strike. Despite all this that we are going through, our duties are still on. The COVID services are still being given, the emergency services and ICU services are still being given by our colleagues. Despite all this, the district authority is threatening us that if we go on strike, they will cancel our licenses and put us in jail. This is what is happening right now.
As per the latest orders by the government, they directed the college management to pay, but the college management has sent all the relevant documents stating that they cannot pay because the fees which we pay is not enough to pay our stipends also. And since the inception of the college from 50 years, government has been paying and they want the government itself to pay.
We pay around 85,000 per year, and for a CET PG student, they pay nearly up to 5 to 7 lakhs depending on each department every year. And this is just the basic college fees.
The Karnataka government insists the rules in the matter are clear and the responsibility lies with the hospital.
So just want to check on this JMM doctors protest. So they are claiming 16 months they have not received stipend.
So it has nothing to do with the medical education. Basically, it's a private medical college.
Okay.
As per a Medical Council of India, the private medical colleges are supposed to pay the stipend, both for government quota or private quota, or whatever management quota, they are supposed to give. All the negotiation is over.
Okay,
finally, it was decided management should give.
They've been given false assurances, threatened and intimidated. These doctors have refused to budge until the issue is resolved. Despite lack of facilities, junior doctors are motivated to fight this pandemic. While they do their bit, can't the government walk the extra mile? With Nabila Jamal, Bureau Report, India Today.
And I want to make a promise here tonight. We will continue to follow this story till the junior doctors of Davangere get their stipends. I will make sure that the Karnataka government and indeed the private medical college that is being run in Davangere, their management is held to account.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.